If a final restraining order is issued against you, there are a number of consequences that are going to be triggered. The most obvious one is that you're going to be restricted from having any contact with the other party, the party that obtained the final restraining order against you. Now, there can be some exceptions to that, but again, as a general rule of thumb, you're going to be prohibited from having any contact with that individual. Additionally, the judge can order you to be responsible for the other party's attorney's fees. So all of the attorney's fees that were incurred for the other party during the trial, during that person's representation, ultimately leading to them obtaining the final restraining order against you, likely they're going to be seeking attorney's fees for you. And that's one of the things that they are entitled to under the law. Additionally, the issuance of a final restraining order can impact custody. Sometimes the judge will grant temporary custody in favor of the party who obtained the final restraining order. You'll no longer be permitted to possess or own firearms. The judge will have discretion to order you to attend and successfully complete a very comprehensive anger management program. The judge can order you, again, depending on the specific facts of the case and whether it's appropriate, the judge can order you to submit to a psychiatric evaluation or a mental health evaluation. The judge can order there to be what's called a risk assessment evaluation. If the judge has any concerns about your parenting or things that have occurred in front of the children, that risk assessment will help the judge make a decision on what amount of parenting time, if any, should be granted to you. So these are all very serious consequences, and additionally, your name will go into a permanent database that's maintained by the state of New Jersey, where everybody who has a final restraining order against them, their name is placed into that database.